And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to clean with boiling water, and this is the only time when this extraction you use boiling water. There's a red line over here which tells you the best temperature to be used with your pour over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the filter on top here, and I'm going to use hot water, boiling water, so as I say, to clean any flavor that was left behind by the construction of this, by paper. You don't want to have paper flavor in any food, anything. So what we're going to do right now is by boiling water, I'm going to go ahead and clean the filter of that, okay? As I say, this is the only time when used in pour over. This is a pour over extraction. The only time you use boiling water, okay? And you said earlier about Amazon. I have nothing to do with Amazon, but you could buy all this in Amazon. And this one has a red line there, which will tell you the exact temperature you're supposed to use it. 197 degrees Fahrenheit to 207 degrees Fahrenheit, or 90 Celsius, okay? What I did right now is I'm just cleaned it. I'm gonna throw this away. Any flavor that was there is gonna be taken away. And at the same time, I'm washing the flask of the carafe, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I add 25 grams of coffee, and I'm going to be using 350 grams of water. Grams of water, well, because this is a scale, it'll weigh the water as, you know, weighing, not milliliter, okay? Later on, you could find out how many milliliters is 350 grams of water, because this is already done like that. So 25 grams, or 50 grams to 700, or the formula is 13 to 1.
13 to 1, okay.
13 to 1, 13 parts of water to each part of coffee. So you're gonna do a liter, then you find out the formula. You're gonna do a gallon, you're gonna find a formula. You're gonna do a cup, then you find the formula. That's the way that you're gonna be drinking your coffee today, if you're gonna drink some coffee.
Yes, yes.
So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna put 25 grams of water for 50 seconds.
50 seconds. Okay.
Yes, because that is a pre-extraction phase.
Okay.
What I'm going to do right now, is I'm wetting the coffee, and the water is going in, starting a slow extraction, not a fast one. If you come over here also, this was flat. Now when you have fresh coffee, look what happens. Okay. Only when you have fresh coffee and you're doing it this way, you're going to get this what they call the bloom of the coffee, okay? So as you see, you saw it was a little flat, then that's going to be expanding because it's sucking all that water in, and then it's going to get ready now. With 50 seconds, it's going to be ready to be the extraction, the rest of extraction. So now, I don't know if you know what the espresso crema is. The crema is when you start the espresso, the first little creamy thing that comes out, that's CO2 being expelled out by the hot water, okay? And it's bringing out all that flavor and all that aroma that you're gonna be getting later on when you drink the coffee. Now I'm looking for 350 grams over here, which is the first little dot over here, and I'm looking to do it below 3.5 minutes. Remember what I told you about the French press? Do not leave your coffee after you do it the first time, because if not, the bad tannins are going to be there. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for that below that over there. This is not only a scale, it's also a timer. Okay, and you could get this one is 2 and 3, 4. The 4 you could get it also by a pour over set. I mean, you could go ahead and not use this over here. You could use this over here for the water, and then you could use your telephone for the timer. But this is convenient. You don't have to be like searching for anything else. Okay.
So you're almost there.
Yeah.
And 350 and then good. And then you'll let it sit there.
Not more than if it goes to 3.5 minutes,
then
I take it out and I don't let anything fall into there. No bad tannins will fall there. But it's almost already done. Yeah. So that's how long it takes. A lot of people ask me, "Will you go through all that every morning?" I say, "Yeah, why not?" I mean, if you go to a restaurant and they have the 1-minute lasagna and they have the 25-minute lasagna, which one do you want? the 25
5
minutes.
minutes.
Same thing with coffee. If you spend a little time brewing your coffee, you'll get better coffee than just letting it just drip.
Yeah.
Nothing against that. If you like it, my boss says any coffee that you drink is the best coffee in the world for you.
Anything that you
Okay,
like.
so yeah.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So please take a seat and I'll see if you guys like it. As I say, give us a chance, drink coffee in the black, and if you need some, not milk, but dark sugar or brown sugar, that's all we have.